Hey there, it's Liz coming to you from the shop. I'm super excited to show you the Embellish RNK License to Create kits that we have in the store. The kit is fall themed and it's called Autumn Home. I want to show you everything that you get in the kit when you decide to take one home. So let's open the box and find out what's inside. First, you'll see this beautiful clear project bag that contains all sorts of goodies and even some of the project supplies. Also in the box, you'll see the Embellish and RNK supplies you will need for each project, such as batting, stabilizer, heat transfer vinyl, mylar, toppers, and much, much more. Let's take a look inside that notebook. You'll find printouts of the detailed instructions for each project that comes in the kit, and the USB with the design files. You'll also find batting and starter thread. Embellish RNK always provides samples of threads in their kits, and I love that. You'll also get a fabric glue pen, erasable marking pen, and a variety of tapes. How would you use all of this stuff that comes in the kit? Well, the License to Create Autumn Home Kit makes 8 beautiful autumn-themed projects, plus 2 bonus designs, including a mason jar cover and bag, cozy cup wrap, oven mitt, placemat, table runner, a pie tote carrier, hanging kitchen towel, and an apron. We've got special pricing right now on these kits, so you can make these projects as you prepare for your Thanksgiving feast. We have all of these beautiful project samples at the shop, so please stop on by and take a look at them.